Hello, everybody. Helen Lu from the Healing Place Energy School welcomes you. I am also a certified reflexologist, a certified energy medicine practitioner, a Reiki master and teacher. And yesterday I did a quick, spontaneous reflexology tip on gout. A client came to me and said, my husband has gout, he's in inflammation, and is there any points on the feet that I could press on his to help alleviate the pain? So for those people who don't know what gout is, it basically is an inflammatory arthritis develops in joints in people, and it is caused by uric acid. And uric acid, more times than not, can be controlled by diet. So think about if you have a diet that has a lot of sugar, a lot of meat, alcohol, grains, you're creating these arthritic or uric acid that can actually form to be like a needle-like crystals in the joints, and all of a sudden it creates severe episode of pain. And a lot of times these people don't drink enough water to flush out what you eat. So your poor kidneys are working really hard to get rid of all of this toxicity in the body. So let me show you what you could do in your feet to help you to feel better. And before I forget, and thank you for subscribing to the Healing Place, I would say Reflexology Healing at the Healing Place Energy School here on YouTube. So let me show you. Client comes in, says her husband has gout. Yeah, all right, dude, you gotta watch your diet and manage your stress. So of course she wants to know where on her feet to press on his feet. So here I am, I'm starting to mark up. I'm gonna do this demonstration not only to help her, but also to help you for those people who have gout. Can you see this, everybody? I'm writing on her hand or on her foot. This is the stomach area. This is the liver. This is the right foot. Your kidneys is right about here. It's below the adrenal. So I drew it on her, the K. This is where her kidney is, the right kidney. And obviously you have a left kidney. Hopefully you have a left one. And I want to show her, since no one's glands and organs are exactly in the same place, so I'm going to have to show how I would do it on her foot. So I'm going to walk across the stomach, and just, what am I looking for? I'm looking for crunchy things, something that's hard. It could be something that feels different to my thumb. I'm looking for inconsistency. So as I'm working this box here, which is the stomach, I'm coming down to the line. I could feel her adrenal right there. I feel a little lump, and underneath the adrenaline is the kidney. So I'm going to push in like this. So Kristen, you're going to push like all hell. Well, you don't have to push like all hell, but you're going to push on your husband. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat it on the other side. I'm not going to draw on this other foot. So you see the K right there. So imagine here it's the stomach area going all the way across. Stomach, the spleen, and the right there's the adrenal, and then the kidney is on the below, and I'm going to press. So that's a quick tip. And then after you're done, you got to drink a lot of water to flush. I strongly suggest look up nightshade vegetables and really watch your diet, because you can curtail gout through diet. I hope very much that this little tip is going to be helpful to you and your loved ones. Who wants to suffer from gout? I know how painful it is, but you could do something to help yourself. And to learn more about self-care courses, please visit my website, healingplaceenergyschool.com. I offer an array of self-care, self-help courses to teach you to manage your energy, to understand why energy is stuck. And the one that I just established recently is a 60-minute step-by-step foot reflexology to promote relaxation. And I just wrote a book to accompany that, along with Introduction to Energy Medicine by Know Your Chakras. You can find all of my books on my website at healingplaceenergyschool.com. I look forward to talking to you. Please drop me a note, give me feedback, give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Be well.